The teacher plays an important role in the system of education. Teachers are considered to be builders of nation. On him depends the future of the country and in fact the future of mankind. The influence of a teacher never stops. Like a painter creates a painting, similarly, a teacher shapes the personality of the child. So we can say that a teacher has a unique opportunity and a vital role to play in contributing to the overall development of the child. In order to make this a reality, a teacher should possess certain professional qualities. In this session, let us discuss about the professional qualities of a mathematics teacher. The professional qualities of a mathematics teacher are as follows. First one, knowledge of subject matter. A mathematics teacher should have full knowledge of his subject. A little knowledge in subject matter cannot make him trustworthy among students. A teacher cannot work with confidence unless he has full command over content. Presentation of subject matter. A teacher should present the subject matter skillfully, making interaction with the students, introducing well methods and applying various aids. Every problem should be introduced to the students logically and in a systematic manner. He should first judge nature of the students and then should apply different methods to make his teaching more effective and comprehensive. Knowledge of individual differences. A good teacher is he who has the knowledge to judge individual differences because every student is different in reading and writing, understanding and work speed. He is successful when he makes teaching arrangement according to the individual differences. A mathematics teacher should necessarily have knowledge of psychology to make him able to understand interest, ability and capacity of different students and thus he can guide them properly. Knowledge of different teaching methods. With a firm grip over subject matter, a mathematics teacher should know different teaching methods. He should clearly know the aims and objectives of mathematics. Thus, required teaching learning situations can be created. He should teach the students by effective teaching methods like analysis synthesis, inductive deductive, laboratory, and project and problem solving methods so that the students may get the opportunity of learning by doing and the knowledge they have learned can be more permanent and solid. Power to know difficulties of students. It is very necessary for a mathematics teacher to know where the students are feeling difficulty in solving problems. The solution of students' problems depends upon the ability and capacity of the teacher to grasp them, and thereby a teacher gains popularity among the students. For a mathematics teacher, knowledge of psychology is also essential that helps him to diagnose the problems of the students. Thank you.